In this video, I will teach you how to delete website email account in Namecheap hosting. So let's begin the video process. Once we log into Namecheap account, we need to click the profile name in the top bar, and again click the dashboard from this menu. Next, we need to click hosting list in the left side of the dashboard. And here, we need to click this button to enter cPanel settings page. In cPanel settings page, we need to click email accounts option under email section. In this email accounts page, we can find all the emails already created in the Namecheap hosting account. Here, we need to select the email account associated with the website and click the manage button. I want to delete the email account with username named David associated with the website, how to create free website. And next, in the email management page, we need to scroll down here and click delete email account button. And again confirm the deletion of website email account. And done deleting the website email account. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.